Confused about the federal tax credit in your solar energy system loan? Don't worry, we can help. The federal tax credit was developed to make it more affordable for you to purchase a solar energy system. It works as a tax credit worth up to 26% of your system installation costs. This credit reduces the amount of federal taxes you owe. How it works is simple. If you've already withheld money for taxes from your income, you may be eligible for a refund that you can apply to your energy system loan. Let's look at what these savings would look like for a typical homeowner like you who goes solar. The average solar system costs about $30,000. The 26% tax credit for an installation of this price could be worth up to $7,800. So when you file your tax return, this is money that goes back into your wallet, which could be used to help pay off your loan or to save for the future. But remember, it only works if you have a federal tax liability. If you're on a fixed income, on Social Security, are retired, or don't owe the equivalent of 26% of your system costs in federal taxes, you may not take complete advantage of this tax credit, but will have the ability to roll over the tax credits to the following year. That's all for now on the federal tax credit and your solar energy system loan. For more information about going solar with us, visit our website, greenhomesystems.com.